Welcome to WebSolvers. In this video, I will show you how to open Chrome without extensions. As you can see, this is Chrome web browser and you can see a lot of extensions are enabled and installed in my Chrome. So I want to open another instance of Chrome but without extensions. If I click these three dots and hover over extensions, go to manage extensions, I have got a lot of extensions. So I want to open another instance without extensions. To do that, I will click Window plus R. It will open Run dialog. Then I will type chrome.exe space dash dash disable dash extensions. Click OK. And here we have another instance of Chrome web browser. Click your Chrome, and this is Chrome without any extensions installed. Right? So you can use Chrome web browser without extensions installed or enabled. As you can see, this is the old instance. I can reload it and my extensions are still there. But for this instance, there are no extensions. So this is how you can use fresh Google Chrome without extensions if you need to, without uninstalling or disabling currently installed and enabled extensions. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.